What if your leads are slipping through the cracks without you even noticing? Most people get this wrong. But here's why your CRM is either growing your business or holding it back. Today, we're reviewing LionDesk and what it's really like to use. LionDesk is a CRM platform built mainly for real estate professionals. It helps manage leads, automate follow-ups, and track conversations across text, email, and calls. The goal is to keep agents connected with prospects without missing opportunities. The system allows you to capture leads from websites, ads, and social media. Once inside, you can assign tasks, schedule reminders, and send automated messages. You won't believe what happens next when your response time drops and your close rate improves. LionDesk's standout feature is built-in texting and video messaging. This makes communication feel personal and fast. The dashboard is simple, but some users find it less modern than newer platforms. Pricing is reasonable, but advanced automation requires higher plans. It also takes time to set up workflows properly. The surprising truth is that LionDesk is powerful when used daily. If you're in real estate, it's worth considering. Subscribe now for more honest CRM reviews.